Hello,
We're
we are Haibuta.
Have you ever seriously thought about first impression? Whether it's for an important meeting, a job interview, your first day at school, or joining a new company, a first impression can really stick with people. That's why so many of us want to make sure we leave a good one. Today, we're going to dive into some Buddhist secrets with Zen Master Zigong about how to make a good impression. Hello, Zen Master Zigong.
Hello.
So we have 4 interesting topics today, and we can't wait to hear your wise answers from Buddhist perspective. When meeting someone for the first time, regardless of race, gender, or social status, what's a key to making a lasting, a positive impression?
Your facial expression reflects your inner feelings, and this is what gets communicated to others. So, if you have a positive mindset, that good impression will naturally be conveyed to others. That positive mindset means respecting the other person as a fellow human being, regardless of any conditions, and having an open heart, ready to listen and accept whatever they share with you.
There are many people who are anxious, scared, and shaky when standing in front of others. How can they still create a good impressions?
It's completely natural to feel nervous, scared, or shaky when presenting yourself in front of a large group or someone you care about. This just proves that you are a very human person. So, let go of the idea that you need to speak perfectly. If you express your honest thoughts and feelings, even through your nervousness, the other person will actually see you as sincere. And if you want to overcome this, try visualizing yourself confidently speaking in front of them for 10 minutes each night before bed. By repeatedly imagining this, it will gradually become your reality. This is called mind training.
Once you've created a good impression, how can you keep that positive image going?
Everything in my heart is transmitted to the other person like a wave. Therefore, you must not let feelings of hatred, complaints, or anger towards anyone, any object, or any situation take root in your heart. If that happens, those negative emotions will be communicated to the other person, ruining the positive impression you've created. Therefore, if you practice meditation to keep your mind calm and clear, you will naturally be able to maintain a positive impression over time.
Would there be any no's when it comes to first impressions?
It's simple. If your heart and facial expression are not in sync, the other person will sense inconsistency or duplicity. So, if you develop the habit of smiling with a soft and respectful heart, your feelings will naturally show in your expression and leave a positive impression. Forcing yourself to appear a certain way will actually have a negative effect.
Thank you so much for sharing your
Thank
wise
you.
answers today. And we're going to be back with more interesting topics in the next time. See you soon.
See you soon.